Okay, today we're looking at a 2012 Honda Pilot EXL. It's alabaster silver metallic in color. It's got 74,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. It's a local trade. Let's go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it is equipped with sunroof. Make our way down the driver's side here. Everything's in really good shape here. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. It's got your tow hitch right here. Dual exhaust. Rear of the Pilot's in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good here as well. Alright, once again, it's a 2012, 74,000 miles. Clean Carfax, 2 previous owners, local trade. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the gray door panels with the black trim. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it is equipped with the WeatherTech floor liners here. It's got your power lift gate right here. Alright, gray leather seating. It is a power driver's seat. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. Got your sunroof here. Keyless entry. Okay, you got 2 of them. Cup holders over here, and this will close up. Kind of give it a little sleek kind of design, kind of look there. Open up the center armrest. You got your power outlet, USB, and auxiliary ports. Passenger seat leather, it's in good shape as well. Alright, it is an automatic. It's got your dual climate controls, heated seats, AM, FM, CD player. Alright, it's going to have your radio display right there with the backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. It's got the leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and your Bluetooth right here. Alright, let's go ahead and check the mileage. Okay, it's got 74,774 miles. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay, let's go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay. Once again, you got your dual climate controls all the way down here to your heated seats. Alright, you got rear air and rear heat. It's a 3rd row seating Pilot. Okay, it's got 3 rows of seats. Let's go ahead and step out and we'll check out the 2nd row. Alright, door panels back here in good shape. Alright, it's got the 2nd row WeatherTech floor liner, which is really nice. Got your rear air, rear heat, and a power outlet right there. Alright, 2nd row leather's in really good shape. Alright, got the center armrest that comes down, got the cup holders there. Alright, and go ahead and give you a shot of the 3rd row. Alright, just carpet back here in the 3rd row. There's no 3rd row WeatherTech liner, but the seats back here are in phenomenal shape. Alright, let's go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Got the power lift gate. Let's see. Alright, carpet back here is in good shape. Now you can see when that 3rd row's up, it does cut into the space in the back, but you can pull the handles down. You can push these seats down really easy. They're really light. I got a power outlet here. Now you can see, I'll stand back, you can see how much it opens it up back here. Okay. Got a little bit of storage back here. And it is the power lift gate. Simply press this button here. Nice and smooth coming down. Alright, let's check out the wheels and tires. See, we've got 18-inch alloys. Alright, alloys are in good shape. Tires look good, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, it's a 2012, 74,000 miles on it. It's an EXL. It's a clean Carfax, 2 previous owners. It's a local trade, well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.